Looking for a replacement antenna that fits your Ford vehicle perfectly? Whether you drive a model from 1965 or as recent as 1979, these universal antennas are designed with you in mind. They come with oval and rectangular base options to match select Ford models, ensuring a seamless fit without any hassle. I recently upgraded my car's antenna with one of these replacements, and the difference was clear right away. Installation was straightforward, no complicated tools or modifications needed. The antenna fit just like the original, maintaining the sleek look of my vehicle while improving signal reception. What stands out is the build quality. These antennas feel solid and durable, made to last through all kinds of weather. Plus, the 1-inch hole design aligns perfectly with Ford's specifications, making it a reliable choice if you want a product that matches factory standards. Customers across the U.S. have praised these antennas for their easy installation and reliable performance. Many highlight how well made they are and appreciate that they arrive on time, ready to install right out of the box. If you want a hassle-free replacement that works as expected, this is worth a look. One added bonus is the visibility of the LEDs on some models, which remain highly visible and functional. This small detail enhances safety and style, giving your vehicle a subtle upgrade without extra effort. If you're tired of weak radio signals or a broken antenna, this replacement option offers a simple solution. It restores your car's connectivity and keeps your vehicle looking sharp. The universal bases ensure you find the right fit for your Ford, no matter the year. Ready to upgrade? These antennas combine quality, ease, and compatibility into one package. Try it when you're ready to experience better reception and a smooth installation process. It's a straightforward fix that makes a noticeable difference. Don't settle for less when it comes to your vehicle's antenna. Choose a replacement that fits like the original, performs reliably, and arrives on time. If that's you, this universal Ford antenna is a smart, practical choice to keep you connected on the road.